What is jQuery? jQuery's motto is write less, do more. JavaScript is a language of the web. It interacts with HTML source code and can be used to create interactive effects within web browsers. However, JavaScript can be a little complicated and tricky to pick up, especially for beginners. It can take a while to become familiar with its intricacies. Although there are more lines of code written in JavaScript than in any other language, it is rarely used to teach programming for beginners due to its complexities. This is where jQuery comes in. jQuery makes it easier to use JavaScript on your website by taking common tasks that require many lines of code and wrapping them up so as to create a single line of less complex code. jQuery is the most popular JavaScript library in use today by far. It may seem a little strange to learn how to use a library instead of the language itself, but in the case of jQuery, there are some good reasons for this. jQuery is cross-browser compatible, it also has simpler syntax than JavaScript, and provides a great introduction to web coding. So what will we use jQuery for? Here's an example of an accordion, which is something we can make with jQuery. We can show and hide elements, highlight elements, update the contents of elements. So in order to do these tasks, we need to learn how to find HTML elements, change their CSS, change their content, listen to user interaction, and respond to user interaction. So to download jQuery, we can go to the Download tab here. In order to use jQuery in your web page, you must include the jQuery.js file in between the head tags of your web page. There are a few versions to choose from. You should choose the latest uncompressed development version for use with this lesson. So you can download that file now. There's another technique that many developers use today. Instead of hosting the jQuery source code on your own server, you can link to it remotely using a CDN. A CDN is a content delivery network. There is an advantage to using this method in that there is a good chance your browser already has the jQuery cached, so it does not need to download it again. All you need to do is just copy this script tag and put it in the head tag of your web page. The downside, of course, is if you have no internet access, you have no jQuery available. So again, if you want the script tags, you just copy the uncompressed version. The other thing we'll need for this lesson are some pre-prepared HTML files. So you can download them from Google here. And we will be using these in the upcoming units to see how to change HTML and add to HTML.